What's up, guys? This video we're going to go over 420cc Northern Tool Powerhorse chipper shredder, and we're going to put it together. We're going to use it. We're going to let you know what I think of it, and comment below if you have any questions on if you should buy one, if you should not buy one. What's going on, guys? Today's video we're going to go over a 420cc Powerhorse chipper shredder, some of the pros and cons about it, and if you have any comments, comment below. I'll answer it. If you got any questions, what I think of it, I'll let you know how I've used it and what else I've done with it since the video's been filmed and how it's going since then. So like the video, comment below, we'll chat back, and please subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Powerhorse wood chipper shredder, 420cc, comes out to almost roughly 13 horsepower, overhead valve engine, 4-inch chipping capacity. So, you know, there's all the details about it. You can read it. It says 15 horsepower, but I looked up 420cc's. It said 13 horsepower, so give or take. 2 hardening chipping knives, 10 hammers, 10 shredding blades. And the new ones come with electric start and a battery. Just until recently you had to buy the battery separately, but they come with it now, just so you guys know. So the newer ones that come in the Northern Tool comes with the battery, which will save you 50 to 80 bucks. Take our wheels out, let's put them on. Come with a nice wheel. Now we could ramp it up a little bit, since we got these fancy wheels. Instead of putting them on there, I think we could put these on there. That'd be pretty cool. Don't you?
Mm-hmm. That'd be funny.
That'd be pretty cool. And then it comes with the battery, the handle, the stand, the axle, chipper outlet, chipper inlet, and this is for 3/8 down shredder hopper, nothing larger than 3/8 of an inch. So, alrighty, 3/8 of an inch, probably around one of them finger sizes. Then we'll get the directions out. I need to charge my GoPro. Then when we chip it, drone shot. Be big time movie producers. You need to start your own YouTube channel.
Me?
Yeah, if I can get lousy 400 or 500 subscribers, I'm sure you can get thousands. I don't even try. I mean, believe me, guys, please subscribe. I want to get 1,000 subscribers so I can make technically $10 a month. But
it would help out during quarantine times.
Yeah, it would help out during the quarantine time, and it would show other people don't give up, you know? Do it. Do it. Alright, let's find the directions, instructions. Chipper shredder owner's manual.
They might have them in 2 different languages.
They got a...
Oh, maybe.
They got one for the gas motor, owner's manual, on 1030 oil to put in it, what kind of gas. Only use non-ethanol gas, and don't use any trash in it. They told me if you bring it back and has trash in the carburetor, they will not fix it for free. And then there's the owner's manual. And hopefully it has how to put this beast together. Really? It doesn't have directions? Yeah, it has directions. It just tells you to put all them in. Really?
Really?
It doesn't tell you what goes where? Are you serious? Is there any other directions?
I don't know.
I believe you gotta take this down to where them holes line up. You see that? So it come up like that. It's supposed to go down like that. Well, then how does your stand go on? I don't understand.
Oh, I know. Okay, so what you do is you leave this up, right? Wait. Oh, I'm pretty sure you put this in, and then you bring this down, because you see how there's space right here?
Yeah, I mean, does it fit in there like that?
Yeah.
Is that how it goes? Does it fit like that?
Yeah.
So I guess that's how it goes.
That might be how it goes.
Well, why is one side angled? In the directions.
I didn't think there was directions.
I'm just saying, there's no directions to tell you.
This says max 10% ethanol.
Mm-hmm. Well, they don't want you to use a whole lot. Some gas is like 30%. Looks like it'd be in the way of the chipper.
No, I don't think it would be completely.
How about this thing? So this goes on there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's why there's that hole right there.
hooks in there, it goes down there, and that slant should go this way so it clears that gap. So that goes to the front.
So
One more time and I think we got it.
Alright, what about the...
Make sure the oil bolt is not out of it. I don't see anything leaking, but I always check to make sure the drain plug is in it.
How do you know how much to put in it?
It told me in the instructions, and this is
I thought you
0.1
said there
liter
weren't.
less than what it, well, there's not instructions how to put it together, but there is directions on
Oh.
the
Directions,
specifications.
instructions, such a big difference.
Oh, shut up, you're grounded.
You put the whole bottle in there? Put the whole bottle in there?
Put the lid back on, kid back on. It doesn't have no gas in it yet. Have to go get gas. So,
Just leave rolling.
I'm going to have to look at three-way and the way through, see if it's non-ethanol gas.
You wanna know where I got the scars? My kid cat. What do you...
Just earling it up a little bit. Get the oil in it. Still got 55. So we got it all together and our battery in. And it works. We just got to get our gas. Well, we're getting ready to do the first start on the Powerhorse 4-inch chipper shredder. So, got the battery in it. Got the key start in the off position. That is slow, fast. I would assume everything I do right in the middle or less. There's a gas cutoff. So turn it on, and that's the choke. It's warm out today. Let's try no choke. But if it's cold out, you might want to choke it, start it, let it run a couple seconds, shut the choke off. So gas on, that's on. Gas is in it. Make sure you have oil in it. A quart of oil and a dab, little more than a quart of oil, but a quart of oil. All right, cross our fingers. Well, let's choke it. Give it a little more fuel. Yeah. What do you think it sounds like?